Hey there, Internet. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome for the first time if you're new here. I'm Connor, and today we're diving into the future of home energy solutions with the Tesla Powerwall 3. If you're a tech enthusiast, homeowner, or simply curious about sustainable living, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with a bold statement. The Powerwall 3 is set to change the game. Imagine powering your home with the sun's energy using a sleek, efficient, and innovative system. It's here, and we're ready to explore every aspect of this powerhouse. We'll discuss its robust features, cutting-edge specifications, and the essential pros and cons. I'll guide you through its standout characteristics, compare it with its predecessor, the Powerwall 2, and provide an honest review. If you're excited to learn more, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. Join our growing community as we delve into the boldest energy leap of recent times. Buckle up and let's explore why the Tesla Powerwall 3 might be the best investment for home energy. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Now that you're hooked on transforming your home energy solution, let's dive deeper into the Tesla Powerwall 3 itself. Released in August 2024, it's marked at a competitive price of $11,900 in Australia. Including the essential backup gateway too, the total investment rounds out to approximately $13,600. It's a substantial cost, but the features aim to justify it. At its core, the Powerwall 3 boasts a storage capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours, robustly catering to your household's energy needs. Expect reliable backup during outages and efficient daytime energy intake, especially with its built-in solar inverter. Imagine running your home essentials with peace of mind from solar reserves. The integrated inverter simplifies the hardware needed, reducing additional costs and making installation easier. Supporting up to 20 kilowatts of solar input, it maximizes every ray of sunshine. Let's talk performance. The Powerwall 3 delivers a maximum continuous discharge of 11.04 kilowatts, enough to run your AC, fridge, and lights with extra to spare. It's a solution not just buffering against outages, but also managing your energy efficiently and sustainably. As we move on to its pros and cons, consider how the Powerwall 3 fits into your home energy ecosystem. Tesla's latest innovation could be the key to smarter energy. In the next segment, we'll discuss the advantages and challenges this tech marvel presents, giving you a clear picture for evaluation. Stay tuned. All right, folks, now that you have a sense of what the Tesla Powerwall 3 can offer, let's explore the pros and cons. On the upside, it brings a boost in power output with 11.04 kilowatts of maximum discharge, ideal for homes with larger energy needs. Its integrated solar inverter not only simplifies installation but also reduces setup costs. Many users appreciate its stylish design and efficient installation process, allowing scalability as your energy needs evolve. Yet, there are considerations before investing. Its charging power is somewhat limited compared to alternatives, which might not meet expectations if rapid recharging is a priority. Also, compatibility could be an issue for existing Powerwall 2 owners, as connecting different generations isn't always seamless. Additionally, potential hidden costs like the backup gateway could significantly raise the overall bill beyond the base price of $11,900. These factors should be weighed against your specific energy requirements and existing setups. The Powerwall 3 offers a robust suite of new features, but diving into this tech should be calculated. As always, consult with a specialized installer to see how these cons might affect your situation. If you find this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more detailed reviews and comparisons like this. Next, we'll match the Powerwall 3 against the Powerwall 2, highlighting Tesla's advancements in home energy solutions. Stick around. All right, tech enthusiasts and curious minds, let's dig into how the Tesla Powerwall 3 compares to its predecessor, the Powerwall 2. One major advancement is the 120% increase in power output, offering more energy and better efficiency for your home. Additionally, the Powerwall 3 features a built-in solar inverter, simplifying the setup by eliminating the need for extra equipment, a hassle with the older model. This integrated system not only eases installation, but also enhances solar energy management, making the experience seamless. It's about more than just numbers or features. It's about the impact on homeowners, especially those committed to renewable energy solutions. While the Powerwall 2 served well, the Powerwall 3 elevates home energy technology, promising greater autonomy and flexibility. If you're considering the leap between models, the enhanced functionality of Powerwall 3 could justify an upgrade for efficiency and investment future-proofing. Always consider your current system's compatibility and your specific energy needs before deciding. Join us as we explore more on how to install and support the Powerwall 3 in the next segment. Installing the Tesla Powerwall 3 is straightforward and offers remarkable flexibility. Whether you start with one unit or plan to expand, the Powerwall scales to your needs, growing with your energy ambitions. Once installed, Tesla supports you with a strong 10-year warranty covering capacity retention and defects, ensuring peace of mind as your Powerwall powers your home. Should issues arise, Tesla's customer support efficiently handles replacements, often covering labor costs. These comprehensive support options make the Powerwall a reliable choice for those investing in their home's energy future. Whether you're a tech enthusiast eager for the latest innovations or a homeowner seeking a dependable energy backup, the Powerwall 3 offers ease of installation and a solid warranty worth considering. Understand the specifics of your installation options. Consulting a certified Tesla installer is crucial to see how a Powerwall fits into your current system or stands alone. This way, you ensure you're reaping the benefits of Tesla's cutting-edge energy solutions tailored to your household's needs. As we conclude, let's recap our journey. Tesla's Powerwall 3, with its integrated solar inverter and enhanced power output, is a noteworthy upgrade for home energy systems. While the premium pricing is apparent, the features could justify the investment for those seeking efficiency and scalability. It's not without challenges. Limited charging power and compatibility issues deserve attention. If this review sparked your interest and you want more, liking and subscribing will keep you updated on future content. Your support helps us reach our goal of 2,000 tech enthusiasts. We appreciate your time and interest in the Powerwall 3. Engage with us in the comments, share your thoughts or questions. If you found this informative, sharing with friends would mean the world to us. After all, energy in motion stays in motion. Stay powered and see you in the next video with more engaging reviews and tech insights.